23:1 si Yuba mao akong magbalantay, walay makulang kanako. Genesis 1:1. In the beginning God created the heaven and the earth. 1 John 4:8. He who does not love does not know God, for God is love. Ephesians 6. John 11:35, Jesus wept. John 14:15, if you love me, keep my commandments. John 10:30, I and my Father are one. Ephesians 6:1, children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Mateo 7:1, ayaw paghukom sa uban, haron dili ka pagahukma. 2 Corinthians 5:7, we walk by faith, not by sight. 1 Thessalonians 5:17, 16 to 17, rejoice always, pray without ceasing. Si Tita May gatudlo, Tita Gingging. Bye! Ay, kung naay coronavirus dira, kumugawas mo pa face mask mo ha, ayaw dyan na kalimti. Bow.